Ever wondered how you can browse thousands of homes on Trulia for free, and how Trulia keeps the lights on? Trulia, a leading real estate marketplace, doesn't charge users directly for searching or viewing property listings, so how does this seemingly free service generate revenue? Let's break down Trulia's money-making machine. The primary source of Trulia's income is advertising. Real estate agents and brokers pay Trulia to showcase their listings prominently on the platform. This ensures their properties get maximum visibility from potential buyers. Think of it like this: those featured or sponsored listings you see, those are paid placements. Agents are essentially bidding for your attention. Trulia also makes money by selling leads. When a user expresses interest in a property by contacting an agent through Trulia, that contact information becomes a valuable lead. Trulia then sells these leads to the agent associated with that property or other agents looking to connect with potential clients in that area. Beyond advertising and leads, Trulia also generates revenue through partnerships. They work with mortgage lenders, insurance providers, and other home-related service companies. These partners pay for advertising and placement opportunities on the Trulia platform, allowing them to reach a highly targeted audience actively engaged in the home buying or selling process. Finally, Trulia licenses its vast data on housing trends, property values, and neighborhood insights. This data is valuable to other companies in the real estate industry, providing another avenue for revenue. So, in short, Trulia operates on a freemium model, providing a free service to users while generating revenue through advertising, lead generation, partnerships, and data licensing. Pretty smart, right?